How should I summarize lecture notes for exams? Imagine trying to find your keys in a cluttered drawer. That's what unorganized notes can feel like when you need to review for an exam. Summarizing your lecture notes helps turn that chaos into clarity. The goal is to pick out the main ideas and key points instead of copying everything word for word. During class, pay close attention to the core concepts and signal words like first, next, or important because they point to what really matters. Write your notes in your own words to make sure you understand the material and avoid just copying. After class, take a few minutes to review and tidy up your notes while the lecture is still fresh in your mind. Organize them into a simple outline or use a concept map to connect ideas visually. This makes reviewing easier later on. Revisit your summaries regularly to keep the information fresh and reinforce what you've learned. It's helpful to understand the overall structure of the lecture, so you can tell which points are major and which are supporting details. Using note-taking methods like the Cornell method, which splits your notes into cues, main notes, and a summary, can make reviewing more efficient. The mapping method, which uses diagrams to connect ideas, is also great for visual learners. When you paraphrase, you rewrite the lecture content in your own words, which helps you grasp the meaning better and spot gaps in your knowledge. Adding visual aids like charts or diagrams can clarify complex relationships or processes. Sharing your summaries with classmates can give you new ideas and help you spot anything you might have missed. Make it a habit to review your notes weekly, testing yourself on the material to improve recall. In practical terms, during the lecture, listen actively, jot down main ideas, and use abbreviations or shorthand to keep up. Right after class, organize and highlight key concepts, adding clarifications if needed. Then, regularly go over your summaries, quiz yourself, and update your notes as your understanding grows. This process turns your raw notes into a personalized study tool that makes exam prep much easier and more effective.